All right, is everybody on this page?
Yeah.
So let's take a look at what they're asking. It says, Edgar surveyed 50 of his classmates about their favorite subject. The results are shown on the bar graph. What are the students' favorite subject and the least favorite subject? So I'm looking for the largest and the smallest, which is least. What are the students' favorite and the least favorite? What is the difference? What does difference ask me to do? It asks me to subtract. And so when I come up with the word difference, I know I'm going to subtract. Explain how you found your answers. The explain part is easy. Just say what you did. I looked at the bar graph and saw that the most students voted for social studies. So then you write 18 and your equation minus your least favorite was language arts. I don't know, I'm kind of offended by this.
Yeah,
I
me
think
too.
the favorite ones should be math and science, but I think they're pretty high. So
I'm not offended.
rule number 2. Raise your hand for permission to speak. So all you had to do was write the equation and explain what you did to answer the question. Does that one seem pretty simple?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at the next one. You're going to go back and write the explanation. Go back and write the explanation. So it says, what is the difference between the combined total? So notice the next question. Reed, are you with me? The next question is still referring to that bar graph. So it says, what is the difference between the combined total of math and science and the combined total of language arts and social studies? So this is called a multi-step problem. The word multi means more than one. So you're going to add 2 numbers together and then add 2 more numbers together and you're going to subtract the difference. So how much is social studies? 18. And how much is language arts? 4. And so my answer for this one, for my total, is what? 8 plus 4 is 12, so it is 22. What is my total for science?
15.
What is my total for math?
13.
13. And so I'm going to add them together. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. And so the next part it says, what is the difference? Means I'm going to take 28 minus 22. And so your explanation is, what did you do? So you would say, I added social studies and language arts, and then I added science and math, and then I subtracted the larger number, which was 28, from the smaller number, or I'm sorry, the smaller number from the larger number, and came up with the answer, which is 6. And so the difference of the two, or the two favorite subjects, or the 2 subjects was 6. Okay? So you're going to have to explain. Notice when you have these word problems, they want you to be able to write out your answers. I should not just see the math. I should see an explanation of what you've done. Does anybody have any questions on that? Pretty simple? All right, the last one I'm going to do with you is number 3. And the rest I'm going to let you do independently. We'll let you practice those on your own. So it says Malachi has math, science, and language arts every day. How many different ways could the subjects be ordered? This is organized list. So we're going to make an organized list. My lists are math, science, and language arts. So what are all the different ways he can do that? Well, he has them every day. So what could you do? Any ideas? Nobody knows how to do organized lists from the last chapter? Okay. Could you draw a picture? You couldn't draw a picture?
I can. I'm such a bad artist.
So could he do math, science, and language arts? Okay. Could he do language arts, math, and science?
Yeah.
So write a list. That's 2. What's another way? If he starts both of those with math, then start both of them with social studies. Social studies, science, language arts, math. Science, math, language arts. What am I going to start my next list with? Aiden. L for language arts. Language arts, math, science. Language arts, science, math. How many options does he have? How many different ways can the subjects be ordered? Chris? 6. 6 different ways. So to make an organized list, all you did was order the letters in different order. 2 ways for math being first, 2 for science, 2 for language arts, and you just reorganize them. Okay, I'm going to let you do the homework page. Let's see. Let's do 47 in class. We'll do 48 for homework. So you have 4 problems to do in class and 3 problems to do for homework.